podcast As Is Us. I'm Rindu Ayanindito.
And I'm Kansani Zamzam. Today, we will discuss the importance of English as college student for the future.
Well, to make our discussion today even more exciting, we have invited a special guest.
He is an active student who is preparing himself for the world of work, especially in improving his English skill.
Wow, that's really cool.
Of course, later we will ask him how he can be so cool.
So, watch until the end and don't skip this video. Okay?
Hi! So, here our guest. Before then, please introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, my name is Fahmi from Universitas Negeri Semarang. I'm from French Language Education Program Study.
Hello, I'm Rindu.
I'm Kansa.
Yeah, I'm Fahmi.
Thank you for joining us on our little podcast.
Oh, not
today.
worry, I'm also free right now.
I mentioned earlier, today we'll be discussing the importance of English as college student for the future. I'm sure you have interesting or perspective on this topic, of course.
So, without further ado, let's jump right into the first question.
Yeah.
In your opinion, how important in English proficiency in the life of student today?
English, in my opinion, English is very important because it's connects student to global knowledge. As you know, if you know about Google Scholar, you can find a lot of journal who's using English.
Yeah.
Then you can make know something like so in your country. The second one is for good opportunity, such as student exchange, scholarship, and extra. And the last one, why English is important as a student is because you can join community with the pupil majority using English.
Okay.
That's right. It's very important. Well, when was the first time you felt the English was really necessary?
I first thought it was necessary when I played some online games or PUBG Mobile. The game has many players from various countries, which sometimes require you to communicate in English. You at least you can do basic conversation.
Okay.
Yeah.
And that moment of religion is often related to future plans, right? So, what was the first moment that made you realize that English will be very important for your future career?
In the past, I realized it when in elementary school, I met with I met with my foreign teacher, English teacher from Netherlands. In my elementary school, I have a conversation with him, like I telling him if I had a dream in the future I will work in music, or I will have a dream to work in another country like Netherlands, like France, like Japan, or Swiss, Australia. And she told me to learn more about English so I can work in that country and not worry about the real language. Yeah.
Okay, now let's move on the challenge because not everyone is immediately confident to that.
Yeah.
What usually makes you feel less confident when using English?
I feel less confident when I face a complex grammar, and then when I worry about making some mistake in front of other, because as you know, in Indonesia we have a lot of people who are blaming and mocking someone if they make some mistake in English. They will blame and mock you. I don't like people like that. It's better to teach people so they are not afraid to speak English and study it more.
Many students experience a lack of confidence. Well, as an active student, how do you or how can other students effectively improve their English skill during college?
Improving.
Yeah.
Student can be improving by practicing daily, or you join some community in social media who majority speaking English, or you can using digital media like YouTube or TikTok, Instagram, or nothing else like movie, video game, a lot of that you can using that to learn more about English.
That's right, we have to take advantage of researchers. Speaking of researchers, how do technology and digital media help students learn English?
Technology provides instant access to resources like Google Scholar. I mentioned before, you can find a journal in English, and for digital media, as I mentioned before too, you like YouTube and another apps make you more interactive and more fun to learning English.
However, mind all these conveniences, there must be obstacles, right? In your opinion, what challenge do students, especially in Indonesia, often face in learning English?
Students often struggle with limited practice environment, fear of mistake, as I mentioned before. You worry to make some mistake if you said something in English, and the last one is pure internet connection. As you know, our country have expensive and poor internet connection compared to another country like Malaysia, Philippines. They have a better internet connection and cheaper compared to us. Yeah.
After going through that process and this challenge, what do you think is the great benefit students gain from mastering English?
The biggest advantage is access to international opportunities such as scholarship, jobs, and you can access the global network. Yeah.
Before continue, our guest must be hungry, right?
Yeah.
Shall we try the food that has been?
Okay, Fahmi, thank you very much for your sharing experience and spending time with us. We wish you continued success.
Thank you. You're welcome. That I will say thank you too to giving me a new experience and the opportunity to sharing my experience with another pupil. And thank you too for give me my food and drink, so I'm not thirsty and hungry.
You're welcome. Thank you guys. This last of video. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye.